Look at the size of this giant pile of oysters with real pearls. We have the brown ones, the orange ones, and a giant one right here. And right now we're gonna open them all up, because you know why? I am a game changer and you're watching Funhouse TV. Let's get started. This orange one or this orange one? Or how about let's do the little tiny brown one first and see what we find. You ready? What's in it? Ooh. Ooh, isn't that pretty? That's like a rose, light rose gold. It's not a pink, it's like a light rose gold. Didn't even know rose gold was a color. Let's open up this big one. Look at the size of this. Let's see what's in here. Now, if you're new to Funhouse TV, welcome. There's lots of different kinds of videos on the show. I'm Steph, Steph the producer, or just Steph, it doesn't make a difference. And you can like, subscribe, and find that there's nothing in here. Right? I think there's nothing in here. Good grief. Good grief. Uh-oh. Is there anything in here? Oh, here it is. The blue pearl. Navy blue. Look at that. I knew it was somewhere, but I didn't know where. See the two different sizes? No two pearls are alike, folks. Remember that. This one's kind of opened. Ooh, oh, here it is, the pinky pearl. The pink pearl. The beautiful red hot pink pearl. That's pretty. Oh, there's another one. Oh, so there was twins in the other one. Wow, look at that. I wonder what's inside of this one. How about this one? All right, let's try to guess a color. Red? I don't know. Green? I used to find like really cool colors and like all different stuff and all different shapes. But sometimes yellow. Ooh, yellow twins. Twinning in yellow. I know I always say my favorite cool was blue, but for some reason I started to really like yellow. Look at that. Uh-oh. That's a game changer. Look how pretty. Right? And now open up here. Uh-oh, the green. It's a green. It's a green. Oh, it's twin greens. Like a light lime green. Right? Check that out. Those are really pretty. Let's do this. Put them all in here. That's what we found so far. All the pearls. All the pearls in the world on Funhouse TV. Oh. another one. Jackpot. This is like twins everywhere. Look at that. Those are like a light yellow. Right? Look at all the pearls. Finding tons and tons of pearls. Let's open up this one. Ow. Oh, they fell in my hand. Did you see that? I just touched it and they fell out. These are so tiny. They're heavy though. They're different. One's like a light pink and one's like a regular pink. How are these all twins? Where do these come from? Where do you find them? I find them all over the world. People send me things. I find them at the lake, but the lake is done. I find them on my boat. They come from faraway lands. Oops, this one's a tough one. You're not opening it up right. Oh well. Oh well, who cares? Nothing. Right? No, over here. These are like black pearls, or they're dark green, or they're dark blue. No, they're like, they look black. This is a lot. I just found like I just found a ton of pearls. Wow. Now, the big thing is this. What the heck is in this one? Oh, he's slamming into the camera. Let's see. Oh my God. Oh, oh, oh! I thought it was a pearl. It was my knife. I can see it. I don't know. I can't get this open. Did I just break my knife? Nope. It's over here. There we go. You ready? 1, 2, and 3. Wow. Look at this. Oh, these are giant. These are big ones. Yep. Oh my God, they're all over the place. Wow. Okay, hold on. Look at this. Now look at this. I'm gonna take these out. Oh my God, there's so many in here. They're all up here. And they're down here. Right? Look at this. Let's see if I can get them out. There's like a ton of them. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go wash this. Hold on a second. Okay, I'm back. Look at all these we found. I don't know what color these are. They're not really like a white. They're like totally different. They're like this beautiful like light color. Like that's like a white. But they're all different shades of like this stuff. So this is what this oyster had. It had like, I don't know, probably like 30 pearls in it. So let's look at all the ones we found. We'll put them all together.